The question is that a teacher takes 9 classes in 3 hours, and how many classes will she take in 50 minutes? So let's solve this question now. Now let's solve this question. A teacher takes 9 classes in 3 hours. How many classes will she take in 50 minutes? So now here first step is that we'll define the variables. So there are number of classes and the duration, and we'll consider that the teacher is taking all the classes at the same speed. So the speed will be constant. So if the teacher is taking all the classes at the same speed, so speed is constant. So 9 classes in 3 hours. So the duration is in hours. The duration will be in minutes because they are asking for 50 minutes. How many classes will she take? So now this will take in minutes because minutes is the smaller metric. Okay, so it is easier to convert 3 hours into minutes rather than converting 50 minutes to hours. So first thing what we'll do here is that we will analyze that is this a direct or inverse proportion. So how it goes is that if at the same speed the teacher is taking 9 classes in 3 hours, so when the duration is reduced, of course at the same speed the number of classes will also reduce. Okay, so now we'll define that this is a direct proportion. It's not an inverse proportion because with the number of with the duration reducing, the number of classes is also reducing. Now the second step is that we have to equalize the duration. So we will convert 3 hours into minutes. So now 3 hours will be how many minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and you will calculate it with the proper steps. 1 hour is equal to 6 minutes, then 3 hours, it will be 60 into 3 minutes. That will be 60 is 18, 180 minutes. So now it will be 180 minutes here. So we'll consider, use 180 in place of 3. We'll not use 3 because we are calculating the duration in minutes. Now we'll apply the method. Now since we have done step 1, defining the variables, step 2, understanding if it's a direct or inverse proportion, now we will apply the method. So the method here is that we will do the cross multiplication. If this is number of classes and this is the duration, so we'll do the cross multiplication here. So 9 multiplied by 50 will be 180x. So 180x is equal to 9 5s are 45 and x will be 450 divided by 180, and then from here you can solve it further. 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So it will be around 15 by 6. So this will be again in decimal. So the answer will be in decimal. So this will be in decimal. So if you want to solve it further, 15 by 6 is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and around 2.5 classes will be your answer, but your accurate answer will be this. So if this type of question is given, then you will write the answer as number of classes will be 15 divided by 6. Okay, so I hope you understood this that first you are defining the variable. After reading the questions carefully, you will define the variables. Then you will define if it is a direct proportion or in inverse proportion, and then you will apply the method. So if you are doing it correctly, these two steps correctly, then this method will be a cakewalk.